listened very closely to what the customers were saying in terms of what they want for a next generation tester. And now you have it. It's easier to set up, it's faster to work with, it's really blazing speeds, and it's very safe.
The Advantage Digital brings the signal in and processes that signal entirely in the digital domain. That enables us to vastly improve accuracy. It also enables us to look at the inbound signal very closely with a high degree of fidelity and eliminate any erroneous measurement at the onset of the signal. The Advantage Digital ushers in a completely new era of both communications and database analytics. The Advantage Digital comes equipped with a Wi-Fi module, which means that the user can connect direct to Unite. It's a very advanced analytics database. One of the greatest advantages of Unite is the ability to build the site in Unite, download those site details, and then proceed with the on-site measurements. It vastly improves operator efficiency in the field. It has the greatest speed, best cooling on board, and best ergonomics of any handheld tester in the field. We've ensured that battery life extends throughout a long workday, 10 to 12 hours of almost constant use in the field on a single charge. We built in a high degree of technician safety by introducing a fast-acting relay. So in the event that probes or clamps slip and they were to arc a high voltage current, both the device and the user are going to be protected. Advantage Digital is compatible with all accessories, all cables, all probes, all clamps, all accessories. So a fleet owner of legacy Advantage can also safely introduce the Advantage Digital without having to reinvest in any accessories.
It's easier to set up, faster to use, it's safer, works in multitude of environments, and it's the product that every technician should have and will want to have. CELLTRON Advantage is cutting-edge technology. When a technician holds that tester, he is holding truly the next generation tester.